Congratulations on the movie. I absolutely loved it. You were killer, unintended.
Thank you.
A little bit of a pop culture quiz with you.
Oh, God. Here we go. I hope I do well. It's like there's so many levels of pop culture these days. Like, what pop culture are you? Are you in the pop culture? Are you in, like, the reality TV culture? I mean, I don't even know. We'll find out, I guess.
That's the aim of the game. We'll see where we are on it. So, first question. Ready or Not is quite literally the wedding from hell. But which A-list celebrity couple announced their engagement on Instagram? Kathryn, your English teacher, and your gym teacher are getting married.
I'm not going to get this. I'm just trying to think. Ooh, is it recent? Did they recently announce it?
I think last year, yeah.
Your English teacher and your gym teacher.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't know.
No idea? Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce.
Oh, yeah.
Are you a bit of a Swiftie?
Travis. I play golf with him. He's a great guy.
No way. That's so cool.
I love Taylor Swift. I met her when I did a movie called Pokemon Detective Pikachu, and I was at a Pokemon convention, and I asked the studio if I could go see her, and they literally got me backstage passes, and she was so nice and took a picture with me, and I was like, me and my co-star Justice were like, she's literally on another level. She's another level.
Insane.
I should have known. I'm not a diehard, I suppose, but I love that.
Next question. This one should be pretty easy. When did the first Ready or Not film come out? Which year?
It was 7 years ago. So 2019.
Yeah, it's crazy when you put it like that 7 years ago. It doesn't feel like that.
It is crazy when you put it like that, considering this movie starts exactly where the first one finished. Not even a second later. It's just a seamless transition.
I love that's one of my favorite things about it. You pick up right where you left off.
Me too.
It's done so well. In Ready or Not 2, you and Samara play sisters. But can you list me 3 sets of celebrity sisters?
Obviously, like Kylie and Kim and Chloe and Courtney, Allie and AJ. There's so many, right? Oh,
yeah.
I was Rooney Mara and Kate Mara.
Ooh, love that one. You killed that before.
And Kathryn Newton. We're sisters now.
Now, both your characters have a little bit of a sibling rivalry. But can you tell me the name of the 2 characters everyone is obsessed with over their heated rivalry?
Connor Story and am I wrong? Was that right?
No, correct.
And I don't know. We were just talking about it this morning when I was getting ready. Everyone's telling me I need to watch it. And I will watch it now. I will. I've been watching Landman and Curb Your Enthusiasm, so I really need to get into the heated rivalry. Let's go. Come on, Kathryn.
No, what else are you watching other than that?
The truth is that's it at the moment. That was it. I was traveling, so I started watching Landman because it was on the plane. You know, they have it at night. And I thought it was great. I loved that show. It was so good. Once you got into it, I was in love with it.
Well, I'll put that on my homework, so I've not seen that.
Yeah.
Then you can watch Heated Rivalry.
I will.
Okay. Which iconic Disney star is celebrating their 20th anniversary?
Oh
my gosh. So sweet.
I'm obsessed with her because she's constantly transforming. And I think that you got to keep doing that. You got to keep finding out who you are. You have to allow yourself that space to grow. And we're constantly looking at her, and she's always killing it, in my opinion. I love her style. I think it's really inspiring. I look at her all the time. That's why I have my big FU glasses all the time, you know? You got to have them. You got to feel good. Makes me feel good.
My God, we're so aligned on that. She's honestly my queen. In 2002 and 2004, your co-star, Sarah Michelle Gellar, played the role of Daphne in Scooby-Doo. But can you tell me who's recently been cast in the new live-action Daphne?
Yeah, I can. McKenna Grace, baby. I'm pretty excited about that. I love Scooby-Doo. You know what's funny? There was a moment in this movie where Grace wasn't going to be in the dress. And I actually suggested pictures of Sarah Michelle from Scooby-Doo. I was like, well, what if I'm in a dress like this? Like a little 60s shift dress with go-go boots. And it might have happened, but I fought for the wedding dress. We all wanted the wedding dress to get in the movie. So thank goodness for that.
I love that. And the yellow trainers, the Converse. It feels like you're watching the same movie in one.
And did you know I thought of that before Sarah Michelle was cast? We didn't even, I was thinking about her then. And we always joke that Radio Silence, like our movies are kind of like Scooby-Doo. Like in some version, they're kind of like a Scooby-Doo movie in a lot of ways. And then my outfit, I ended up picking Sarah Michelle, like was like, you look like Buffy. You look like Buffy from the pilot episode. And I actually do. I have the same hair, the same shirt, same jeans, same tank here, and a sword. So
My God, the stars truly aligned for this, and I'm so here for it.
yeah.
Your other co-star, Elijah Wood, recently had a cameo in I Love LA, created by Rachel Sennott.
Love.
But can you tell me which Charlie XCX music video Rachel Sennott appears in?
It Girl or something?
I can do that. 360.
Yeah, but it's like, it girl, yeah. Charlie must have lost, not known who I was. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I love Rachel Sennott. I love her so much. She's so talented, and I love that show. Rachel,
It's so good.
let's do something.
No, I would love to see that happen. We need to make that happen.
Me too. I'm a big fan.
If you could appear in a music video for any artist in the world, who do you think it would be?
Jack Harlow.
Oh my God. Yeah, that would be sick.
Yeah.
It was amazing talking with you. I wish we could do more of this, but congratulations on the movie. You absolutely killed it, slayed it, and loved it.
Thank you. That was fun. I nailed it, by the way. I killed.
We did. You killed that.
Thank you.